We already discussed how to solve the equations. We studied the two type of method to solve the equation. Today also we are discussing the idea how to solve the equations, the same idea. Okay, then we are doing some more examples also here. The question is solve the following equation. The first question is minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 8, and second question is 3 into n minus 5 is equal to minus 21, and third one is 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, then here in this type of question we have the idea to doing the work. The first one, for example, in the first one, minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, then first idea, here I told you what is an idea to check for before to solving an equation. We will check there where we getting the variables, correct, is a LHS side or RHS side. Then after we confirm what we do it there, yes, we will check again is have any term other than the term containing the variable, correct. In that side, if we checking there, we have a term with the term containing the variable, അല്ലെ, variable ഉള്ളതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ വേറെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ടേം ഉണ്ടോ, variable ഇല്ലാത്ത ടേം ഉണ്ടോ എന്ന് നോക്കും. Then we transpose that one and we keep the variable only in the one side, correct. But here what is the difference? Here the difference only this much. Here we have the term minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 8. The variable is lies in the LHS part, but the difference is this one is not a separate things. Okay, x plus 3 is not an x plus 3. Here we multiplying both x plus 3 by minus 2. അല്ലേ, ഇവിടെ എക്സ് പ്ലസ് 3 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു ടേം മാത്രമല്ല ഉള്ളത്, ഒറ്റക്കല്ല. അതെന്താണ്, അതിനെ നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഏതുകൊണ്ട് അതിനെ മൊത്തത്തിൽ we multiplying together, that means all this completely with x plus 3 completely with the minus 2, അല്ലെ. x plus 3നെ മൊത്തമായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഏതുകൊണ്ട് മൈനസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, minus 2 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Then if we multiplying or if we dividing the term, okay, if we multiplying or dividing the term containing the variable and the term not containing the variable together with a number, okay, then first step is that common multiplying number or common dividing number we transpose first to left to right. That is the first idea. എന്താണ്, നമ്മൾ വാരിയബിൾ ഉള്ള ടേമിനെയും ഇല്ലാത്ത ടേമിനെയും കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് ഒരു നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുകയോ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുകയോ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മക്കളെ ആദ്യത്തെ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എന്താണ്, ആദ്യം ഓക്കെ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുക സാധാരണ ആ കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് ഉള്ള നമ്പറിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, ആ കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്ന നമ്പറിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, ആദ്യം ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യും. കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന നമ്പറിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, ആദ്യം ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യും. Okay, that is an idea we follow in all the cases. Clear? We have, that is a one method, ഒരു മെത്തേഡ് അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. Okay, to transpose first, what is the common number here? The common number is minus 2. We multiplying minus 2 with x plus 3 together, correct. x plus 3 നെ നമ്മൾ ഏതുകൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നു, minus 2 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ആ minus 2 കൊണ്ട് ആ minus 2 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്ന നമ്പർ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യും. എവിടത്തേക്ക്, ആർ എച്ച് എസിലേക്ക്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ വൺ ഐഡിയ. അതർവൈസ് വി ഹാവ് അനദർ മെത്തേഡ് ടു ജസ്റ്റ് എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ദ ബ്രാക്കറ്റ്. minus 2 into x, okay, minus 2x plus minus 2 into minus 3, okay. Then after we transpose as like we follow. Okay, I will explain here the two methods. The first method is like this. Then first method 1, okay, in only one example I follow two method. Okay, method 1, then what is the first, we write once again the same question, minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 8. Then method 1, I told you what is the first method, which number we multiplying commonly these two, that we transpose first. Okay, then if we transpose, here we multiply and we transpose here in this side RHS part, then what is remaining here? Here is remaining x plus 3. Then x plus 3 is equal to, okay, then what do you want to write first? Then what is already in the RHS part that we need to write first. Okay, RHS then 8, then is a multiplying number. Then in the time of transpose, what is the changes? It's just opposite operation. It will change as opposite operation. Then multiplication's opposite is division by minus 2. Okay, then x plus 3 is equal to 8 by minus 2. We dividing one positive and one negative integer, then we know the result is negative. Correct? We studied, if we divide one positive and one negative, the result is negative. Then 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Okay, then now we checking here in the LHS, we have a term with the variable and the term not containing the variable. We have the two term in the LHS. One term is containing the variable, other term is not containing the variable. Then what is next? We transpose the term is not containing the variable to the right side. അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? അടുത്തത് വാരിയബിൾ ഇല്ലാത്ത ടേമിനെ അടുത്തത് അങ്ങോട്ട് ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യും, RHSലേക്ക് ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യും. Then therefore x is equal to minus 4, that we want to write first. Okay, minus 4. Then what is the changes happen here? Is a plus 3 transposing time opposite. What is the opposite of plus? That one is minus. Then minus 4 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3 is equal to, in front of both numbers have the same symbol. അല്ലേ, രണ്ട് നമ്പറിൻ്റെ മുമ്പിലും ഒരേ സൈൻ ആണ്. So we put the answer also the same sign, minus. Then we add the number 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So what is the value of x? The value of x is equal to minus 7. Minus 7. What is the answer? Answer is minus 7. Then I told you we follow the one more method, the method 2. Okay, then we write the question once again. Minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 8. Then first step is we expand the bracket. Minus 2 into x. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x plus minus 2 into 3. What is minus 2 into 3? Minus 2 into 3 is we multiplying one negative and one positive, so answer is negative. Then 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to 8. Correct? Is equal to 8. Then here also we check where is the variable, the variable in the part of LHS. Then we check there. We have a term is not containing the variable there. Yes, we have a term is not containing the variable. That one is minus 6. What we doing minus 6 here? We adding minus 6 to minus 2x. അല്ലേ, minus 6 minus 2x നോട് എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Add ചെയ്യുന്നു. So we need to transpose minus 6 in the side of RHS. Variable ഇല്ലാത്ത ടേമിനെ നമ്മൾ ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യണം. ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്താവും? Then what is the opposite? The opposite of not this minus, opposite of the operation. What is the opposite of the operation? The opposite of the operation is minus. Here is plus, then is need to subtract. Correct? Then what is remaining here? Minus 2x. 2x is equal to, what do you need to write first? 8 minus, what are we minusing? Minus 6. Okay, ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് ഓപ്പറേഷൻ, അതിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ 8 ഇവിടെ പ്ലസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന minus 6 ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുമ്പോൾ മൈനസ് minus 6. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ minus 2x minus 2x minus minus 6 means 8 plus 6. What is 8 plus 6? Is equal to 14. Then minus 2x is equal to 14. We got it. Minus 2x is equal to 14. Then for getting the value of x, for getting the value of x, we need to remove 2, minus 2, not 2, minus 2, correct? Then we need to transpose minus 2 from LHS to RHS. Then what we doing here? Minus 2x means minus 2 into x. So we multiply here minus 2 and x. Then in the time of transpose, what is the changes? Divide. Therefore, x is equal to 14 divided by minus 2. Then here we dividing two number, one is positive and one is negative. Then if we divide one positive number and negative number, answer is negative. We studied already. So we are dividing 14 by 2. What is 14 by 2? Is equal to 7. That time also we get the same answer, minus 7. These are the two ideas. Which one you feel easy, you follow that method. Okay. The second question is like this: 3n into n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. Here also we multiplying n minus 5 commonly one number 3. So the first step we are transposing 3 to the RHS. Okay, then what is remaining here? N minus 5. Then n minus 5 is equal to, which one we write first? Minus 21. Then here is multiplying n minus 5 and 3, then the time of transpose is division by 3. Okay, multiply change the upper by I, minus 21 by 3. Therefore, n minus 5 is equal to, here we are dividing one negative and one positive. So answer is negative. 21 by 3 is 7. 21 by 3 is equal to 7. The next we need to find the value of n, correct? So here what is next? We transpose the term not containing the variable, that one is 5. What we doing 5 here? That one is subtracting. Then what is the changes? Add. Therefore n is equal to minus 7 plus 5. Minus 7 plus 5. Here we subtracting two numbers and we check the sign. The one is negative, second one is positive. Both are different sign. Then we study what we do. If the integers are different sign or the numbers are different sign, what we do? We subtract smaller from bigger and put the sign of bigger in the answer. നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് ചെറുതൊന്ന് വലുതെന്ന് ചെറുത് മൈനസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വലുതിൻ്റെ സൈൻ കൊടുക്കും. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Then what is the sign of 2? The sign of 7, that one is minus. So what is the value of n? N is equal to minus 2. Okay. Then we go to the third question. The third question is x plus 4 is equal to 12. Then here what is the next? Yes, here also we multiplying commonly x plus 4 by 2. Then first steps we transpose into 2 in the side of RHS. Then what is remaining here? X plus 2. So x plus 4. X plus 4 is equal to 12. Yes, into 2 transposing time is by 2. Therefore x plus 4 is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Correct? The next, for finding the value of x, we transpose 4 in the side of RHS. Now we adding 4, then in the time of transpose it becomes subtract. Then 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Then value of x is equal to 2. Okay. Then I think you got the idea how to solve the equation if you get like this. Okay. We are discussing one more example for the same idea. The question is like this: solve the following equation. The first one is 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34. Second one, 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. Okay. Then here what is the difference? Here the term containing the variable lies in the LHS. Correct. And we multiplying that commonly by 5. We know up to that, correct? But what is the difference here? Here we adding a number with the term containing the variable commonly multiplying there, correct? നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് വ്യത്യാസമുള്ളത്? നേരത്തെ കണ്ടതുമായിട്ടുള്ള വ്യത്യാസം എന്താണ്? ഇവിടെയുള്ള നമ്പർ നേരത്തെ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഇതുപോലുള്ള ഇത്ര വരെയുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ഒരു വാരിയബിളുള്ള ടേമിനെ ഒരു കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടു. Then here we adding the term containing the variable and here we have a term containing the variable and non containing the variable, and we multiplying together with them by an number by 5, and we adding that answer to a number 4. ആ ആൻസറിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ആ നമ്പറിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു, ആ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു, we adding an extra number. Then in this type of question is very easy to do. First one, we keep the term multiplying commonly with variable and variable, the term containing the variable and the term containing non containing the variable together with a number, we multiply. This type of question is an easy one. Is okay. First step, we keep the terms commonly multiplying the term containing the variable and term not containing the variable in one side, and transpose the additionally we adding, what are we adding or subtracting there. Okay, നമ്മൾ അഡീഷണൽ ആയിട്ട് ആ കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്ന ടേമിനെ വേറെ എക്സ്ട്രാ ഒരു നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുകയോ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുകയോ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, we transpose first. Which one we transpose there is this type of question. If we have a terms multiplying the term containing the variable and non containing the variable together with a number, we keep that number in the LHS or RHS where is lies is there. Okay, and we transpose first. If we have a number extra, additionally we adding or subtracting that term. Then how do we do here? The first we write the same question once. 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34. 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34. Here this one is the term commonly multiplying with the 5, correct? So we keep this one first in the RHS and we transpose the additional number first. Okay, then here 5 into p minus 1 is equal to, what we write first, 34. What we doing here, 4 and 5 into p minus 1 we adding, then in the time of transposing minus, then 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 30. 34 minus 4 is equal to 30. Then after we know what is the next, we transpose first the number which one we commonly multiplying there. Okay, then we transpose into 5, then what is remaining, p minus 1. P minus 1 is equal to 30 by 5. Then p minus 1 is equal to 30 by 5 is equal to 6. Therefore p is equal to, what is the changes, 6, yes, minus 1 transposing time plus 1, then is equal to 7. Okay, then here what is the question? The question is 0 equal to 16 plus 4 into f minus 6. Where is the variable? The variable is lies in the RHS. Okay, it's not a problem. It lies in the RHS or LHS. We follow the same idea. Okay, here also we have an additional number. Additionally we adding 16 to the commonly multiplying term. അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്ന ടേമിൻ്റെ കൂടെ എന്ത് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, 16 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ഈസ് വി ട്രാൻസ്പോസിങ് 16 ഫസ്റ്റ്. Then what is, which one we need to write first? 0 we write first. Okay, 0. Then if the plus 16 transposing time minus 16, 0 minus 16, what is remaining here? 4 into m minus 6. Okay, 4 into m minus 6. What is 0 minus 16? Yes, 0 minus 16 is equal to minus 16 is equal to 4 into m minus 6. Then we know what is next. We next transpose the number multiplying common there. What is the number we multiplying commonly? 4. So we transpose into 4 in the side of LHS. Then what is the changes? Now we into, then the time of transpose divide. Minus 16 by 4. is equal to, what is remaining here, m minus 6. Okay, then here we are dividing one negative and one positive, so answer is negative. Then 16 by 4 is equal to 4. Then minus 4 is equal to m minus 16. So next we need to find the value of m. So we transpose 6 the side of LHS. What we doing here? Subtracting. Then the time of transpose is plus. Minus 4 plus 6 is equal to m. Then what is minus 4 plus 6? Both are different signs. So we are subtracting the smaller from bigger. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. What is the sign of 2? The sign of 6. This is plus. So answer is also plus. So what is the value of m? M is equal to 2. That is m is equal to 2. Okay, not necessary to write like this. Is a correct. Then m is equal to 2. Clear? I think you got the idea how to do this type of question. Here we are discussing the next idea. Here the question is like this. Construct three equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. That is, what is x is equal to minus 2? X is equal to minus 2 is a solution. The solution of an equation. We already know how, if we get the equation, how to solve and how to find the value of variable. How do we find the solution of the equation? Correct. Here the question is reverse order. What is that? Here is given the solution of the equation. Here we need to make an equations. Okay, that is a very easy method to make an equation. Here is given x is equal to minus 2. Then how to make an equation? That is very easy. We do the same operations with both side of equality sign. Okay, what we doing in the LHS, the same we doing in the RHS. Then we get an equation. Clear? That means we choose any one of the number 3. Okay, and we fix any one of the operation plus, and we add the 3 in the both side of equality sign. The first equation we making like this. First one we doing addition operation, we fix it addition, and the number is 3, though x plus 3 is equal to minus 2 plus 3. Then x plus 3 is equal to, what is minus 2 plus 3? The both are different sign. Then we subtracting smaller from bigger. 3 minus 2. Answer is 1. What is the sign of 1? The sign of 1 is positive. Then the first equation is x plus 3 is equal to 1. Okay. So we make the second equation. We fix the number. We choose one number. Number is 4. And we fix the operation is multiplication. Okay, and we doing the multiplication by 4 in the both side. Then first x is equal to minus 2, then x into 4 is equal to minus 2 into 4. X into 4 is 4x is equal to minus 2 into 8, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Then is our second equation. Okay, the next third one, we fix one number 7, and what are we doing here? We subtracting. Okay, then how to, x is equal to minus 2 is the solution. Then we choose the number 7 and we fix the operation is subtraction. Then x minus 7 is equal to minus 2 minus 7. Then x minus 7 is equal to, we know we have the two numbers with the same sign, so we adding the number and put the same sign. 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 and sign is negative. So our third equation is x minus 7 is equal to minus 9. As like this, if we change the numbers and operation, it's possible to make infinitely many equations. Okay, if we change the numbers and operations, is possible to make infinitely many solutions, infinitely many equations. Clear? Not only 3, not only 5, not only 6. Clear? Many is possible. I think you got the idea.